Okay, this is recording. Perfect. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I wanted to show in this video the project that we did at the university with a friend. We had as an instruction to make an automatization for a process. So we choose to make a machine that is able to repair clutch, the one that is in the cars, an embrague in Spanish. And we wanted to make a machine that is able to quit and put again the friction pads, because that is what breaks when there is a lot of time working with that clutch. So for this, first we did a sketch in a paper, as always. So this was how the machine works. Okay, then we had to present to our teacher the diagram of phases, how the pistons are going to work, because all this machine works with pneumatic and hydraulic pistons. 8 pistons in total. So this is how they work when they are activated and when they don't. And of course, for each one of them there is a sensor, so we can know if the piston is out or is in. Then we, in this picture, we can see that we select a PLC that is able to reach all the sensors, because we need to know how many inputs or output we need before choosing the PLC. So here are all the sensors when the piston is in or out. And in this side of the screen we can see the program that we use. We use ZelioSoft from Schneider Electric, and with this panel we can simulate the inputs, so we can make this work in a simulation before doing it in a real job. So in this panel we can simulate the inputs, when are the piston in or out, and then here are the relays that makes then the outputs works. For example, just the beginning, I can touch in round. Then we can see here that we need to make sure that PHC minus is in. So for example, for this is E3, and then with E1 we can start this simulation. So we touch this. Perfect. That means that the first relay activate, and then the first output is working. So what is Q1? Q1, if you see here, it's input and output, and Q1 is the PN1, a pneumatic piston A. So this means that this works. PN A is out. So this is how this works. How we can simulate all the process in a machine. Of course, to show this in a more proper way, we create an assembly for this. This is the real machine that has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pistons. All are here. Some of them are pneumatic or other hydraulics, but they all work together to make sure that these parts are replaced. In this part of the machine, we quit with this piston, for example. We quit the friction panels, the friction pads. Then with these pistons we clean the disc, and then we move the part to this side, and in this side we use this machine to put again the rematches. I don't know how to say, but this bolt that joins the friction parts with the disc. So this was the machine. We did a simulation here and also in ZelioSoft. So this was one of the projects that we did with PLC. Also, I practiced with SolidWorks doing other little projects, like for example this that is a it will be a robot, a little robot. I'm preparing, and this is other project that I've been working with another coworker. That is a robot arm over a car. So we are still working on it. We have to present this in December. So now I wanted to show that I like all of this. I hope this is okay, and every question you have, you can ask me. Thank you for watching.